Hello guys, welcome back to the Phil Caribbean family. In today's video, I just want to share with you a typical Sunday of our life back in the US. Ayan, charut. So anyway, this is an old video guys. I had to take it down kasi medyo may problema sa song na ginamit ko. But anyway, right now I am making sweet potato and mac and cheese. And at the same time, naglilinis din tayo or naghuhugas din tayo ng apple guys kasi I am planning to make an apple juice. Ayan. So, hugasan natin ng maayos para masiguradong malinis yung apple na ginagamit natin. So, this is how I manage my time every Sunday, especially kapag I'm planning to do a general cleaning kasi Sunday is my reset day. Ayan. And also, I like to feel that I am able to fit my schedule for that day. And today, we are planning to do a general cleaning and labas-labas and mag-grocery tayo guys. So, hopefully, matapos natin yung ating trabaho in time para naman ma-accomplish natin yung ating mga plans for today. So, right now I am cutting some apples na. Ayan, I am cutting them into tiny bits para hindi masira yung ating mamahaling blender. Ayan, so since sobrang mahal niya, ayoko nang bumili kasi wala tayong budget. Ayan. So, yeah, kapag gumagawa ako ng apple juice guys or most of the time kapag gumagawa ako ng kahit yung orange juice, hindi ko siya nilalagyan ng maraming pangpalasa. My family, especially my husband, okay na siya kahit water lang and sugar as long as okay yung timpla. Charot! Yan, katatapos ko lang gumawa ng juice guys. Huhugasan ko lang tong mga ano dito. Time check, it's 7:34 yan ng gabi guys. Yan, so nagyaya ang asawa ko na kumain kami sa labas kasi napagod ako ng gusto guys. After kong maglinis dito at maglinis ng fan, sabi ko kay Rachel, magpahinga lang ako ng mga 10 minutes kasi supposedly magluluto ako and then lalabas kami. Pero inisig ako ng asawa ko, sabi niya let's just go out and eat outside. So, you don't have to make food. So sabi ko okay. Yan, so nagmadali nagmadali kaming magbihis guys. Yan, so if you can hear some noise, that's from the blower guys kasi binoblower ko yung aming carpet dito kasi basa pa siya dahil ipakita ko sa inyo. Dito, kahapon, vinacuum ko and then shinampo ko yung room ni Rachel. Nandito na kami guys. Tingnan nyo guys, maganda yung cover ng kanilang light and yung yung decorations nila sa wall, binago nila. Mas maganda na siyang tingnan ngayon. Parang may buhay na char yung restaurant. Yan. So, medyo tahimik. Parang kami pa lang dito guys at yung couple doon sa kabilang table. But after a while, dumami na yung tao. Kain tayo guys.
Screenshot. Oh, it took a
Oh yeah, screenshot.
That's
song?
It does.
Does it?
It does.
Kain tayo.
Ayo. Kumusta ka, ikaw?
Okay, show up your Tagalog.
Ano sinabi mo?
I said show up your Tagalog.
Ano sinabi no? Ako asawa.
Wala. Halika, kain tayo.
Ako asawa sakit.
Sakit sa ulo. I'm a headache.
Sakit. I forgot the song. Just like that.
About that.
Wala ka, oy. So, she's really fake. I don't like that.
Mommy, I can make this disappear. You wanna see? Like, look carefully, pay attention.
Oh, mommy, it's good. Wow. Taking a video. Lolo. Dito tayo sa Walmart.
Let's go check what we came here for.
Yeah. Let me look at my list.
Parking? Yeah.
It's a lot of work.
Hello there.
No, 996. Oh my gosh. Mahal na masyado. Just for this. This one is $7.97. Ito na lang siguro. Mas maganda pa siya. Okay. Wala silang kalabasa na nakakat na. Remember last year when we went to New York and they had the biggest pumpkin? What's some ground chicken? Yes. Yeah. Yeah, like 1.5. This.
Want me to get it, shorty?
Of course. See? Ko sa'yo.
I wake up in the morning with a smile on my face, feeling thankful for the love and the happiness we chase. Sun is shining brightly, sky so blue and clear. With every breath I take, I'm grateful you are near. So grateful, yeah. Thank you for the laughter, thank you for the tears, thank you for